Hello and welcome to HPL Discovery. This project is for the toddler through kindergarten age range. And let me show you what you will get in your packet if you pick this up. You will have a wide craft stick, a frog, and a crayon. Very simple. What we're going to do is build a simple machine. Let's take a look. Included in the STEM kit is a little color by number picture that we're going to use for our machine game. So after you've filled this in, you've got some lily pads here and, conveniently, a frog. Now these frogs are going to be our load. What we're building is a lever. We're going to use a wide craft stick, placing it over the crayon. The crayon is going to be the fulcrum where the lever pivots. And if we put the load on one side, we're going to apply on the other side force. We're just going to use sort of the downward motion of pressing to be our force to make the frog jump. Let's go ahead and try that. Add force, frog jumps because of the lever. We can modify this in a number of ways. We can change where our crayon fulcrum is on our lever here. Let's put it towards one end, and then we'll put the frog all the way at the other. So our load, the frog, is down at this end. Our fulcrum is up really high. You can see this kind of slanted angle go down. So now when we apply force, off goes the frog. Did you notice a difference in the frog's jumps? That's because the machine that we've made, and a machine is something that's going to convert one kind of force or energy into another. In this case, affects the force that I push down is transferred to the load based on where the fulcrum tips my little lever. So having it at the end is going to multiply the force more, whereas having the fulcrum further towards the frog is not going to be nearly as effective. You see how the lever tips back down. But the fun part is launching frogs. So let's make sure that we can do that. See if you can apply the right force with the fulcrum in the right place to land the frog on a lily pad. I have not done that correctly. Nope. I hope you have better luck. The lever that we've made is very simple, but the same idea applies to bigger machines. We can make a bigger machine that does more work on a larger scale using the same idea. If you've ever been on a seesaw or a teeter-totter at the playground, that's just a lever using force to move you up and down. If you have a large enough load and a good enough lever, you can really apply a lot of force. Thanks for joining me for today's HPL Discovery. Next, we'll have more science ready for you in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned. Goodbye.